this tutorial, River will show you how to make Discord emojis. Every server by default can add up to 50 custom emojis that any active server members can use within the server. If any user is a Nitro subscriber, they will be able to use the custom emojis from any server anywhere in Discord where emojis can be used. Keep in mind that uploading custom emojis requirements is file type JPEG, PNG or GIF. Recommended file size is 256 kilobyte. Recommended dimensions is 128 by 128. Naming: emoji names must be at least 2 characters long and can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. And in this video, I will show you how to make a custom emoji using Photoshop. You will get lots of tutorial on YouTube where you will find how you can use the Photoshop. So I will show you in very basic way to make a custom emoji for your Discord. First of all, launch the Photoshop software on your computer. Click on File, New File, and I'm going to giving the name here Funny, and selecting here pixels, and here is the emoji recommended dimension is 128, so I'm going to giving here 128 by 128 and okay. Once the canvas added to your Photoshop, now you can select any shape tool from here to create a custom emoji. And I'm going to selecting a color from here, making a new layer, selecting the brush tool, and here we can see the color has been added, and I'm going to adding eyes here, taking a new layer, brush tool, and now I'm going to deleting the background to make the photo transparent, as you can see. And it's time to save or export these emojis. I'm going to clicking on File, Save As, Format, select PNG and save. Okay, and the photo has been saved. I'm going to my file manager to show you the emoji. So here's the emoji. Now it's time to upload the emoji. Go to your Discord and open the server and click on server name, server settings, select here emoji, upload emoji, and selecting my emoji here. So here we can see the emoji has been added. Now let's see how to use this emoji. I'm going to clicking on emoji, and here we can see the emoji I just added. So this is how we can make custom emoji for Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.